Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Sheets. Google Sheet is a free web-based spreadsheet program that is part of Google's suite of online office application. It is a great tool for organizing and analyzing data. It is used by individuals, businesses, and organizations around the world. Here are some tips and features to help you get started with using Google Sheets. So first, create a new spreadsheet. So to do that, go to your browser and go to your Google Drive. So type google dot or drive.google.com and enter. And in here, click on the new button or plus sign icon at the upper left corner and click Google Sheets. You can use blank spreadsheet or from a template. So you can choose any template you want for your Google Sheet. So I'm gonna use blank spreadsheet first. And in here, you can see now your spreadsheet. Now, when it comes to formatting data, Google Sheets offers a variety of formatting options to help you make your data look more presentable. You can change the font in here, sample here, and also font size. You can add or decrease your font size or type what size do you like. Then font color and also background color, which is it right here in the fill color. As well as add borders and merge cell. When it comes to entering data, to enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and start typing. Sample. So I'm gonna use this cell. You can enter text or numbers, dates, and formulas. To enter a formula, you can simply start with the equal sign and then type the formula you want to use. Example, B1 plus B2. Then enter. If you add a 1 here and enter 1 also here and enter, here, the sum is 2. When it comes to sorting and filtering data, you can to sort your data, select the column you want to sort by clicking on the data menu. Then select sort sheet by column A to Z or Z to A to filter your data. You can also click on the data menu, then click create a filter. Then this will allow you to filter your data based on your specific criteria. So let's delete it. Then let's type or enter a data. Sample here. Then choose a column and sort it from A to Z. You can also sort it from Z to A. Using functions, Google Sheets has a variety of built-in functions that can help you perform calculation and manipulate your data. To use a function, just like I said, you can Start with an equal sign, then type the name of the function you want to use, followed by the argument in parentheses. When it comes to collaborating, one of the great features of Google Sheet is that you can collaborate with others in real time. To share your documents, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, after that, enter the email address of the people you want to share with it. Sample. Here, you can simply type here or copy the link. And choose anyone with the link. You can choose editor to edit your spreadsheet and copy, and then share it to your friends or someone you want to edit your spreadsheet. When it comes to add-ons, Google Sheet has a variety of add-ons that can help you extend its functionality. To access add-on, click on the Add-on menu. Right in the Extension tab. And then select Get Add-on. Some popular add-on include Form Publisher for creating custom forms, Supermetrics for importing data from various sources, and Power Tools for manipulating data. So you can choose what you want to add to your Google Sheet. Also, there is a conditional formatting on Google Sheet. It's on the Format tab and it's right here above the alternating colors. You can use this conditional formatting to highlight cells based on your certain criteria. For example, you can make cells turn red if the value is less than a certain number, or turn green if it is greater than a certain number. This can help you quickly identify information in your data. When it comes to data validation, it's on the Data tab. You can use this also to control the type of data that can be entered into a cell. For example, you can set a cell to only accept whole numbers, or you can create a drop-down list of options for a cell. When it comes to pivot tables allows you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data quickly and easily. You can use pivot tables to group data by category, calculate averages and totals, and more. In the importing and exporting data option, Google Sheets allows you to import data from a variety of sources, including other spreadsheets, CSV files, and even websites. You can also export your data to a variety of formats, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. And when it comes to macros allow you to automate repetitive tasks in Google Sheet. You can record a series of actions and then play them back with a single click, saving your time and effort. So that's all. And that's how to know or how to use Google Sheets for beginners. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.